We got Charlie Rocket over there. He has no idea. Complete surprise. We brought him a $10,000 check to donate to his charity. So let's see his reactions.
Big time!
We made it. We're here at the airport, going to Detroit. It's raining. We're still making the most of the situation. We're on a winning streak.
They should have never gave us money, guys. A lot of people drink champagne out of the flute glasses. We drink it out of the Lear 45 cups. It's a $20,000 cup, guys. We ain't playing around. Sheesh. We ain't playing around. Sheesh. The jet comes free when you buy the $20,000 bottle. What's up, guys? We just took the private jet from Miami to Detroit. You guys can see the tail number right there. We're really out here. We're about to donate a lot of money to our boy Charlie. Out here for a charity. We really do this for real, guys. I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to do real business so you guys can change you and your family's life and really be out there doing it for real, guys. Let's go.
We're in Detroit. We just landed. I got Aria here too. We're both on a winning streak, right? We're on a winning streak?
Yeah.
Say it. Say on the camera. Say we're on a winning streak.
Street.
What?
Winning Street.
We're on a what?
Winning Street.
You don't sound that excited for someone on a winning streak. What's up, guys? We stopped at Starbucks. We've been on a winning streak all year long. We're gonna pass that to the person behind us as soon as they show up. So Charlie started a movement. You come to Starbucks. Basically what you do is you pay for the person behind you. Write winning streak on the cup. If you guys haven't done it before, I hope you will. Just kind of pass that positive energy on to the next person and, man, start their day. Let them know they're on a winning streak and it's a blessing just to be alive. So stay tuned. We're going through this drive-through. Let's see what happens. All right, guys, we just paid for the car behind us. We passed the winning streak forward. Hopefully we brighten up their day a little bit, put it on a positive note. We're on our way to meet Charlie, so I hope you guys do the same, man. Little acts of kindness go a long way. Hey, man, you're on a winning streak. On a winning streak today, right?
Oh my God.
Hey, man, God bless you.
You just paid for 2 nights at my motel. God
Awesome.
bless you and your
God
family.
bless you, man.
I appreciate you.
No
Where
problem.
you guys from? if you
We're
don't
from
mind me
Florida.
asking? Really?
Yeah.
You come all the way up here to be benevolent.
Yeah,
You guys are awesome. What happened before?
never. First for everything, man. We got Charlie Rocket over there. He has no idea. Complete surprise. We brought him a $10,000 check to donate to his charity. So let's see his reaction.
Let's go surprise him, guys.
Let's see. I have no idea. Let's get him off guard. Close that
Do
window.
something nice.
We got something for you.
Hey!
Oh my God!
Get in here.
Are you serious?
10,000 credit 101 for Charlie.
For me?
We just donated $10,000 to Charlie. He's out here making people's dreams come true, guys. If you don't follow him already, go ahead and give him a follow. We're doing some amazing stuff out here today, guys.
So I wrote a poem called Believe about my accident. And I wrote it because my accident is what made me stronger. Believe. If you believe, you can achieve what God has done for me. He's allowed me to be taken away my injury and misery, turned it into history. As you can see, I started an emergency. White car, black ice left me and family, needing oxygen to breathe freely. Doctor sliced my head, called it a craniotomy. Come find out what was wrong inside of me. Played a song on the radio, and like Mariah, my brain started to sing in harmony. 15 years with this disability, determined to overcome this adversity. I believe and I have achieved. Days, months, years, many, many tears. Therapy. To overcome adversity, I have overcome.
Calvin, man. It's a pleasure to meet you. I just want to see what you got going on, man. I haven't, you know,
I need your help with something.
What's up, man?
Okay, so all of us, we want to
This year.
give back today. Like we call this like best day ever, where we do random acts of kindness. So we're not from here, obviously. Like if we were to help somebody today, do you know a family in need? Do you know a kid? You just want to help. It could be an elderly person. It could be a kid. There's anything.
Larger family.
Okay.
I think she's got like 6 babies. Her last baby has Down syndrome. She's she just turned 2, as a matter of fact.
Okay.
So I know they're having some troubles. I can find out. Oh gosh.
But we wanted to still be as kind of a surprise.
Oh, okay. Hey Dal, how are you? Can you text me a list of just some things? I got a couple dollars. You know, yeah, for the kids, and you know, text me something they want. Text me the last thing you told them no they couldn't have. She's been home for the past couple of years with this new baby who has had some serious health challenges that has kept her from being able to work, and you know, just kind of provide, like I said, what are some of the things that they wanted.
All right, well let's go to Target then.
Okay.
fellas.
We got action.
Okay, we got action. And we're gonna go meet this family, and we're just gonna try to make their day easier.
All right, what's up guys? Our 3rd day in Detroit. We met up with Charlie. We followed him to Target here. We found a family in need. So I think we're just gonna pick up a bunch of supplies, bring it over to their house, and obviously try to make their life better. So stay tuned. The charity continues, and try to make the most of our last day here in Detroit.
Okay, the list was PlayStation.
PS4.
New phone.
What is that?
Kamaya wants a mannequin head and the hair stuff that goes with it.
All right.
And then Mariah wants an iPhone or an earpods. And then we've got 2-year-old Olivia, who she just turned 2, so.
We'll get the whole list.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
What's up guys? We're out here shopping for a special family in need. And you guys know we couldn't forget the good old Madden and the 2K.
We are about to make the big surprise. This is the moment. We just pulled up at our house. We're on the west side of Detroit. We have a bus full of stuff. It's about to be Christmas in October. Everybody always likes waits till Thanksgiving and Christmas to help. But people need help, and they need help now. We don't have to wait for the holidays to help people. So that's what we're doing today. We got blessed with some great friends who were able to help us purchase all this. Look at this bus. We're gonna walk straight up to her door, and she's not gonna know what hit. This is crazy. This is the dream machine. This is God's plan. This is the moment. This is what we're doing. It is time.
Put something on. What is this? Wait a minute. Don't freaking me out right now. Oh my gosh. Wait, you got me shaking. What is going on? What's happening right now? What are you doing right now?
I am being the best that you know, guys.
Oh, damn.
So much.
There you go, little mama.
How you doing? We're having a complete family day. They won their football game today.
We won!
My team's winning. You guys are amazing. Oh my God. Please tell me what's going on.
My name's Charlie. These are all my friends.
Hi, friends.
And we all linked up today because we wanted to just help somebody.
Feel my heart.
And God sent us straight to you.
Oh my God.
And we just wanted to bless you. We heard about how good of a mother you are and your family. What's up, man? So we have a few people who flew all the way in from Florida who made all this happen. So we got Kyle, Shawn, and Umesh. They flew all the way in. They made all this happen.
Oh my God's plan is indeed. Like, look at this, y'all.
We got some essentials.
What iPhone did you get?
I gave to Dad. I didn't want to start. I didn't want to start nothing. What y'all say?
Thank you.
Wow, look at that. Oh wow. They gonna be happy. Oh, that one.
Here's stuff for the kitchen and the laundry. Just some extra.
Thank you.
So we got some cool backpacks too. Lunchbox.
Oh wow.
So I wasn't expecting this at all. Like this just blew my mind. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank these guys. Thank all you guys.
This is what it takes. Like this is. You guys are amazing. Keep up the great work. Like. For you guys to come all the way to Detroit. Detroit? I'm doing the hood.
I caught y'all in Detroit.
And you guys caught us at a great time. Like, this is amazing. Just don't know what else to say. And this is Olivia. We've been through so much. She's 3 years old.
Olivia.
She was born with Down syndrome, and she has a trach. As you guys can see, she had open heart surgery at 6 months, and she been there with me. Diana was there, her open heart surgery, and it's just amazing how friends are. Like, this is what, oh my God, I want to say. Let's go!
Yay!
Thank you. Can you say thank you in sign language? Say thank you.
Hey, thank you.
Thank you.
I know something in sign language.
Give one. I love you.
love you.
Oh, she wants to give you a hug.
Oh my God.
It's still
Being a single mother of 6, I just kept going, and I didn't let nothing let me down. It was like everything I went through that pushed me down, I knew it was something better to come. So I just kept going and going, and my children are pretty much my life, you know. I think if it wasn't for them, I wouldn't go as hard as I go. My ambition, my drive. I felt like at some point, if I could believe it, I could achieve it. So I started manifesting things and just believing in the best things could happen for my family, and here we are. I'm sorry, my mind is blown right now. With Olivia having Down syndrome, knowing that there are barriers to be broken with children with special needs. I want to be the advocate. I want Olivia to be that, and through me, we'll be able to tell her story. Yeah, and just be an inspiration to never give up.
I heard it.
Yeah, this is what happens. We have great friends.
God bless.
Winning streak on 3. 1, 2, 3. Winning streak!
I don't know.
If there is, call me.
Hello, sir.
Okay.
We're in a dilemma right now as far as our house, but
Really?
yeah. So yeah, we need to move like the next 2 weeks. So yeah, so but we're working on it and we're looking and
I own a real estate company. We'll find you a list of homes.
oh wow.
Yes.
Try to find you somewhere quick.
Okay.
Okay.
What did you just offer?
I told her I'm gonna help them find a house. I'm gonna pay her moving costs for her.
Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you.
Yes.
God. Wow.
Let's let the truck come through. Hold on.
So if you guys need credit repair, we're gonna fix you guys credit for free.
Definitely.
Both of you guys, we're gonna fix both of your credit. Help you guys out. So, we'll make sure you guys are good.
Oh my goodness, y'all can't do no more. That's it, that credit right there. That's it right there.
with the children and all the things that we've been through, this type of stuff matters because it gives them the opportunity to see that it's good people in the world.
We just brought a bunch of supplies for her. We found out that she's struggling to pay her house note, so we had one of our buddies here. He's gonna get her into a new property. We offered to fix her credit for free, her and her husband. So we did some good out here our last day in Detroit, and that's what it's all about, man, paying it forward. We try to help as many people as we can through credit repair, and now teaming up with Charlie through this dream tour. So you'll definitely see more of us with Charlie when he's down in Miami in January, and we hope this inspired you guys to do some good.